Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Altima tail lights. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Before starting any work, always make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and securely parked. Next, you'll need to locate the access panel, which is typically found inside the trunk lining, near the tail light assembly. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the tail light assembly. Carefully remove any interior lining or trim pieces within the trunk that might be covering the retaining nuts or bolts. Once exposed, use your screwdriver or wrench to unscrew these fasteners. There are usually 2 or 3. After all fasteners are removed, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight out and away from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it, as there might be clips. With the tail light assembly free, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Identify the specific bulb that needs changing. Each bulb is housed in a socket. Simply twist the socket counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Once the socket is out, gently pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Push it firmly into the socket. To finish up, carefully guide the tail light assembly back into its position on the car, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reinstall and tighten all the retaining nuts or bolts you removed earlier. Then, reattach any interior trunk lining or trim pieces you took off. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to confirm it's working perfectly, checking all functions like brake lights and turn signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.